To transfer money from Webull to Webull Pay, follow these steps. Ensure eligibility. Make sure you have a Webull Pay account set up. If not, you may need to apply for it separately or contact Webull support for details. Log into Webull. Open the Webull app or desktop platform and log into your account. Access transfer options. Navigate to the account or transfer section within the Webull platform. Select transfer type. Choose the option for transferring funds to Webull Pay. This option may be labeled as transfer to Webull Pay or something similar. Enter transfer details. Specify the amount you wish to transfer to Webull Pay. Confirm the source of funds. Confirm transfer. Review the transfer details carefully. Confirm and authorize the transfer request. Monitor transfer status. Check your Webull Pay account to ensure the transfer has been completed. Transfers may take a short time to process. Contact support if needed. If you encounter any issues or delays, contact Webull customer support for assistance.